Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
All right, go first. Into the tree. Oh, here comes out. Oh, good choice. Let it. Dream it, keep believing. Next, I don't think Nick's going to get it. I think he's going to bring a perfect shot. Wow. That was quite impressive.
No. Hit it harder, man. You gotta do this for me, please.
You got to do it for me.
Okay, I'll count it.
All right, Danny, you chose not to hit it, so you can't hit it now. All right, Bob. This is your only chance to kill this hole. Yeah!
Actually, no, it's not. I can still get a hole in one if something off you. But it's a possibility.
Hey, this could be killed. This hole could be killed. If she puts me in, yes!
You want to hit it? Can I hit it in? That doesn't count.
Well, Lisa was just about to knock you in.
Bad.
Meaning you would have got off the one. And you would have won the hole.
Bad.
So why did you do that?
Ball.